makeup look Korea.
Hello, hi, how are you? Today, basically, I'm going to supervise my two makeup artists to do some Korean style makeup. So macam Korea memang itu very flawless, very natural, tak nampak banyak color, tapi bersih. Oh, very light foundation, So to give her a flawless skin, so that to make the skin much more glowing. You know, as for Korea, you know, in Korean dramas and everything, you see all the makeups are like, they have very beautiful skin and everything. So this is what we want to create. Me, I have done the foundation. So and then to set the foundation, kita mesti pakai bedak. Okay. So bedak, just a very light bedak. Light bedak, okay, light bedak dulu. So apa? We call that to set the foundation, so that and once it's set, then we are ready to do the eye. We'll start with the eye first lah. Mata dulu lah. Okay, mata dulu. Jadi mata kita pakai primer dulu lah. Primer is a product where we can prepare the eye, where you will apply the eyeshadow on, so that it will last longer. Okay, alright. So this is how we put on the primer. The primer is to prep the eye before we put the eyeshadow. We'll use something which is very light, okay, because for her skin tone. So we will go with we will use these two color ini dua, then to give her more shimmer, nampak more shimmer. So basically, if you are going to do it like at home, you can just use your fingers to do it. But you feel that you want it to be more blended, or you know, a little bit more blended and more flawless, then you can use a brush to do it also. Okay, then the next thing we are going to proceed is with the eyeliner. Eyeliner, let's say for Korean style eyeliner, normally it's just a very fine liner, but you still can see the liner. So it looks better, so much more glowing eye, right? So bagian bawah memang kita tak perlu. Kalau if you are going to put on the bottom, I mean the lower lash line, so it will be too exaggerated. So it will not be natural. But if you want to put, yes, we can do, but can we put it at the ends a little bit and then tarik sedikit saja di ujung. So now what we are going to continue with? We are going to continue with the mascara. So for your eyebrows, kita memang mau lebih sedikit warna saja, slightly like maybe medium brown, so just a little bit more, so to exaggerate. But the blusher will be very light, very natural. Sedikit saja. Then we go to the lip area. So the lip area, what we can do is like, you just prepare the lips with some primer. So this time you just apply onto your lips. Then it will prepare your lips like baby lips. And then we just stain some lipstick on. Just a little bit, and then we just spread it through the lips. This is something like a Korean makeup, Korean style of makeup. So we don't really have to really put on the lip liner, which is too strong, you know. Don't exaggerate so much, but we want it to be very supple and very natural. It's very easy and simple. It's very easy and simple. But of course, the product that you use, of course, which is suitable for your skin. And then the colors that you're going to choose, which is very supple, very what do you call that? Refreshing.